Making money online is bull. Total and complete BS. That's what the title of this video said, right? That's probably what the majority of you actually think a lot of the time. When you see these products that are promoted specifically on platforms like Warrior Plus and JVZoo, and you keep getting the same email from the same people, and you keep trusting and thinking that the next time you buy a $15 to $20 product from these same people, that you're going to get the secret, that the secret is being withheld from you, that the secret is really a secret. I'm here to tell you right now, the secret is hard work. The secret is focus. The secret is realizing that there is no secret. Now, this is a bit of a rant video talking about making money online is bull. Making money online is just like making money offline. If you want to make money, what do you have to do? If you want to make money in your own business, what do you have to do? If you want to make money and you don't have your own business, you have to get a job. You have to show up, you have to apply, and then you have to apply yourself, and you have to be on time, you have to put in the work, you have to do whatever it is they tell you to do, or you don't get paid. That's how you make money offline. So is making money offline BS? Is building a real business BS? Is that bull to think that if you wanted to, for example, sell a notebook or a coloring book like this right here, right? This is a coloring book. This is a coloring book that sells online. If you wanted this coloring book and you went to Walmart, would you call that BS? No, because someone took the time to make that coloring book that you're looking for. And you went to Walmart, you went to Kmart, you went to a store, an actual store, and you purchased it. So that's not BS, right? So that's what you call e-commerce. E-commerce is just selling stuff online. Is Amazon BS? There's a lot of BS stuff on Amazon, right? So just the concept and the idea of making money online. So take the book industry as a whole. Forget online books. Look at all the books behind me on that bookshelf. All those books, they don't just talk about making money online. They talk about philosophy. They talk about self-help. They talk about politics. There's a few books on there that are how-to books. These aren't even the books that I used and that I read to learn what my actual day job is inside of information technology, IT, as a network engineer, as a cybersecurity guy. That took me 28 years to become an expert, to become to the point where I can apply for a job. I can have people call me and want to give me jobs because I'm an expert. I'm a certified expert inside of that industry. So is that BS? Is it BS for me to provide my skills at whatever hourly rate I deem is the hourly rate that I'll work for? Or is it BS for the owner of the company that wants to hire me to come up with what he thinks is a fair hourly rate for me to do my work? Because making money is exchanging goods and services for money. That's a business. That's how you make money. You exchange goods or services for money. That's how you make money. That's how you make money offline. That's how you make money online. But I'll leave it there for now for you to really just think about. Making money online is BS. It's bull. It's total and complete. It's fake. Absolutely 100% not. Just think about it in real terms. What is bull about it? What is BS? The BS is the things that you see, the sales pages and the dream that you're sold, that you're going to do it in a click. You're going to do it in an instant. You're going to come online and it's just going to happen. That's BS. Yeah, there's lots of people out there peddling snake oil. There's lots of people out there telling you. And guess what? I believed it too. 3 years ago when I came online, I thought this is going to be the easiest thing ever. And it actually started out pretty easy for me until I realized that this is a business. You have to spend money to make money, and you're going to lose money, and then you have to remake that money, right? E-commerce, buy low, sell high. That's what people are doing. You see it all the time. Does it work? Yes, it works. Does it take work? Yes, it takes work. And that is the reason that most people fail. And that's why most people are going to just simply say to themselves and convince themselves that making money online doesn't work, that it's a scam, because you're not going to put in the time, they're not going to put in the time, and they're going to join in with you, and they're going to say, yep, it's a scam, total BS. And then they're going to walk away and go back to whatever it is their day job is, and they're going to tell everybody else that, yep, I tried that making money online, it absolutely doesn't work. Well, how long did you try it? Like I said, it took me 3 years to actually start making money online, to actually turn a profit and stop spending money on a dream and on a fantasy, and actually start putting in the work and actually starting to create real products. For example, books, notebooks, right? Again, I use that example as things that sell online, right? Products, information products. Putting products together, putting information together and selling it online is absolutely a real business. Again, physical books behind me. All those books, you have a Kindle e-reader, you can buy them in PDF. Those are sold and bought online every day. Those are sold and bought online the exact same way they're bought and sold offline. As a matter of fact, online sales of all products are starting to rival offline sales. And if you want to talk about things that are BS and things that are scams, right? And you think making money online is absolutely just total BS, okay? Yeah, again, there are people that market to people that are desperate, that are looking to come online and make money, and they read a sales page and they think this is the answer to my dreams. But there's exact same people doing that in the health industry. There's the exact same people doing that in the offline industry. For example, get your dream job. For one great example of that is green cards and the dream of coming to America for a lot of people in third world countries. You can see these things and these advertisements where just apply here, you'll get accepted to this program, whatever, yada yada. In the health industry, flat belly fix, 10-minute abs, right? This treadmill, that treadmill, this supplement, that supplement. Again, those things aren't any different. They're selling a dream, and that is called marketing. And there is some shadiness to that. There is absolutely no doubt about it. It just falls under the thing that appeals to certain people, and certain people where they are in their journey, certain people where they are in their mindset. So is making money online bull? Is it BS? I'm just simply going to end this video and tell you straight up, no, it is not, because I know it's true, because I do it. I sell real physical products online. I sell informational digital products online, and absolutely it is true and it does work. Again, you just have to make up your mind to put in the work. And when you're ready to do that, there's a link in the description. You can click on that link for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use, the same one that I used, and you can get started and you can prove everyone wrong that keep telling you and keep saying it. And you can even prove yourself wrong if you really think that making money online is bull. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this video. Click on those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.